How to easily remove your PIN on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to remove your PIN on Windows 11, first of all, right click on the star icon at bottom left corner of your screen. From this menu bar, choose Settings and open Settings. Now from this left panel, click on Accounts. Scroll down. Click on Sign In options under Account Settings. Now choose PIN and click on this drop-down menu arrow or simply the backward facing arrow where you will get the option to change your PIN or remove the sign in option. So click on Remove button and then click on Remove button. And now you need to verify your account password. Now click on OK button. And that's how we easily remove PIN on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.